Alright y'all, so today is the day. LS is in there. I really went back and forth on if I wanted to keep this motor or not. I just don't see a point. I was gonna keep it, like, to put it in something else, and also I guess like the sentimental value of it, but there's no point in it just sitting. Someone's gonna buy it tomorrow and I'm gonna put that money towards getting this thing done. Okay, we're back. We got parts and I want to show you what we got. This thing is so close to being done. Also, my creeper, I broke it. Hopefully I don't break it some more. Those welds. Good old ISR. I need to come up with a different way of showing you this before I end up dropping them. Let me just, oh, what did I tell you? I got some more stuff. Let me get it over here with all this room I got, you know? I am too small to be doing a lot of the things that I do, because I'd be struggling if you couldn't tell. So, as far as engine control, management, whatever, I decided to go with Aces because some of this shit is just incredibly overpriced. And what I bought this entire kit for, I couldn't have even bought a wiring harness elsewhere. We had a LS swapped RX-8 before with this kit on it, and it's very good. It literally comes with everything that you need to get the car running. So let's get into it. So this is just intake. Very good, very nice. All right, so here, your rail stuff. Those are nice. I got me a backpack. Some stickers, my favorite. Some keychains. I like that one. Another little lanyard down in there. A banner. More stickers. I'm gonna put these in here. Engine harness. All of the sensors. I'm not looking forward to this part because I don't do wiring. I'm not good at wiring, but I mean it should be pretty straightforward, I would think. So, there's that. Diagrams. That's helpful. So here's the monitor. Like, I could have gone with the, I think it's wiring specialties. They have like a wiring harness and stuff that like would make the inside of the Z operate as like a factory Z. So like all your gauges and stuff. I don't give a shit about that. This thing will tell me everything that I need to know. I don't care about AC. I don't care about the factory gauges working. I just want this thing to rip. That's literally all I care about. That is why I went with this kit. Also because it's a lot cheaper. O2 sensor. Is this another one? Yeah. Like I said, this kit literally comes with everything that you need. This part, it will be done soon. I'm so sure of it. But you know what? Let's just start putting stuff on. I'm excited. One thing I did forget to mention, I was gonna say I don't have valve covers, but I do have valve covers. I need the tall ones and these are the short ones. Kind of made me feel dumb that I didn't even think to, I didn't even think about it because I was worried about everything else. I'm a little unsure on this color anyway. On camera it looks kind of green. It's like, I think this is neon Springfield yellow. But yeah, so we're just gonna work around it and do everything else, and I'll order the tall freaking valve covers. So I'm gonna start putting these headers on. On this side, I don't have to move anything out of the way, so I've just kind of got those in there. On this side, I'm gonna have to jack it up and move a couple things out of the way. Yep. Guess what I got? Valve covers. They fit. Let's put them on. Alright y'all, so I think that's going to do it for this video. In the next video, it's probably going to be time to tackle wiring and computer and monitor and all that good stuff. Right now, I'm kind of just taking it all in, honestly. Today is actually 4 years since he passed away, and it's just kind of surreal because, you know, there was a time that I did not think that I would get this car to this point. Like, there were times that it felt too heavy to keep going, and this car has tested me in every way possible. I mean, financially and emotionally and everything that you could think of. I have dealt with it with this build, but it's been worth it. And it's just kind of crazy because I feel like as humans, we are far more resilient than we even realize or give ourselves credit for. And no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're feeling, just keep pushing, keep going. Do not give up, because you will come out on the other side of it and you will be glad that you didn't give up. So that's kind of where I'm at right now in this moment. Just even looking at it right now and talking about it, I could literally cry. But all of the heartache and the tears and the frustration, it just makes it feel like it all led somewhere. It's not done, but for the first time, it feels close. I'm just proud of myself for not giving up. I'm proud of this build, and I just cannot wait to get it done. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, and we will get back to work on this thing and get it even closer to being done. So I will see you next time.